Welcome back to Shave Ice Supplies and Hawaiian Snow. Today, we're going to be taking a look at another killer shave ice recipe for key lime pie. First off, the ingredients. To make this shave ice, you will need the following items: lime and cream concentrate from ShaveIceSupplies.com, graham crackers, and whipped topping. Start by mixing your concentrates. This should be a 2/3, 1/3 split between lime and cream, with 2/3 being lime and 1/3 cream. Mix evenly into your syrup in appropriate ratios for what size you are working with. Second, we will need to crumble out our graham crackers. This can be achieved by placing them in a Ziploc bag and crushing by hand. Make sure to not crush them into dust, but into small, half-pea-sized bits. Finally, you will want to prep your whipped topping by fluffing it with a fork and feeding it into a Ziploc bag that we will then cut the corner off of to act as a pipe for topping down the line. Now to making the shave ice. As always, we're going to remove our block of ice from the freezer and allow it to temper for 15 minutes. This softens the ice, allowing it to shave more evenly. Once the ice is tempered, we'll begin with a layered shaving approach, stopping every 1/3 of the shave ice to add a layer of graham cracker crust. Once you have completed the shaving, we will begin to generously pour our lime cream mixture onto the shave ice, making sure to generously cover every inch. We will then hit the shave ice with a little more graham cracker. Don't be afraid to be very generous here. And finally, top with our whipped topping and some additional limes. There you have it, as close as you can get to a key lime pie in shave ice form.